Hey, if you're looking for a house in Lehigh Acres, Florida, in this video, we're gonna tour this specific home where a new builder that started building homes in 2018 here in Southwest Florida is offering amazing impact windows, impact doors, as well tiled through the whole house, square baseboards and casing around the doors. So stay tuned to this video so you can see this house specifically that I'm standing in. Don't worry, I know you have a question. Why there's no refrigerator behind me? I'll tell you more later. Stay tuned to this video so you can see this home for yourself. It is an amazing property. Let's go. As you know, I always love to introduce myself before we dive into this video, before we go on the tour. My name is Alek Petrov. I'm one of the local real estate agents here in Southwest Florida. So I'll be more than happy to show you this property. Go check out my other videos where I talk about how to buy a house, how to transfer yourself to Florida, how to move here, things to go check it out, restaurants, places to go visit, things to do here in Southwest Florida. If you want to get a hold of me somehow, there's gonna be my phone number in the description here, my website as well, my email as well. You can jump on the calendar with me on a Zoom call. So let's dive in. Let's show this property and tell you all about this builder. You ready? Come on, let's go. All right, guys, as you see, here's the house from the outside, pretty much 1,700 square feet under AC. I'm on the rain out here right now, and the kids out there playing as well. Yes, I'll probably run the gutters all the way through it. If you're buying properties in Southwest Florida, I highly recommend to get the gutters all around the house. They have pavers on the driveway, not a concrete. As a concrete, see the neighbors right there. It's cracked. Here it is nice pavers, and you have a nice area of lanai where you can just put a screen here. Summertime, put a couple chairs here, and you can stay free from all those mosquitoes and all those spiders and everything else. You got your septic tank right here as well. You can tell this builder takes care of his property. Why? Because they have a sprinkler system right there in that spot. That's your clean out for your septic tank. This is impact windows, impact doors. So that's a good thing. That's a plus to your insurance. Okay, let's go. Let's go inside. See, you have this flooring through the whole house. Is the same, not a carpet in the rooms as many other builders do, but it's a tile through the whole floor, through the whole basically house. Here's the kitchen. You have extra overhang here for you to be able to sit here, put your feet here as well to kind of enjoy it. Instead of, I see some builders go out all the way out here, you have this little teeny tiny thing hanging over where it just makes a pain in the butt to sit at the chair. But anyway, yes, no refrigerator, but they say anybody who closes in certain months, you will get the refrigerator and some other items in the house as well. But they do give you $10,000. Like I said, they'll give you $10,000 towards closing if you close in certain month. They're not soft close. All it is just couple rails. That's about it. There's no disposal. Oh, ay. Another thing, guys, is you see my other previous videos, I always say, you want to pop this guy out, right? It won't cost you extra money to just bring this guy a little bit higher. Just that right there, right? Just pop it up. That way there's gonna be no seam. Even though they did a great job, I'll give them that. They did a great job on making it so you don't see as bad as other homes. Props for the island, props for the seam. I would say, guys, another thing, guys, I'll give them props for using a square base and casing and 2 panel doors. We have a nice shelf here. You want to put some cabinets up here, a shelf, and hang your stuff. The sound that you hear is from the vents, right? From the laundry. Your washer and dryer, well, washer, dryer. Props, they got a sink in the laundry. New builders at that price, none of them do that. You got your pantry here as well. Boom, ta-da! Nice little pantry here. So you have your living room here, your dining room right there. So you can sit here with your friends. Nice TV. Just imagine TV there. Nice fireplace in the bottom, just for the looks. We need no heat in Florida. Magic. Okay, this is your master. It's not bad, I would say. Again, it's all impact windows. It's a pretty good size, I would say, bigger size. Look at the ceiling, guys. The ceilings are 10 feet high. Doors are smaller, but it's all right. It's cool. It's cool. Okay. No bashing on the builder. You have a closet for her, closet for him, half of it, and for her, the other half. What we got here? Ooh, you got a little extra room for your towels, for his socks and underwears. So you have 2 sinks, and I'm sure this is not gonna be self-closed, but about it. It's just the rails, replace the rails, and give you soft close for you. Guys, another thing, I'll give them props for this builder. They did the tile all the way up. They didn't cut the corners on this one. Kind of a tiny squeeze here, but when you come in here, it's pretty good, it's pretty big. But you have this offset tile, and they match the corners as well. That's pretty good. Little window for the extra light. The faucet on this side. And you have the king's office, guys. Come on, you can't miss the king's office. Let's go. Kings don't need a lot of explanation to do. And you have another 3 rooms here. You have 1 room we just came back from, and 3 rooms here. Cool thing about it, guys, it's not a door here to the bathroom where everybody can see it as you sit here, right, with the friends, and there's a food get cooked up here, stuff like that, and then you're like, oh, hey, excuse me, you just go right in the bathroom, people see it. Here's like offset more, huh? It's a bathroom, gas bathroom as well. Cool thing about it. Same thing, guys, they went all the way up to the ceiling. That is cool. Definitely get thumbs up to this builder, and I love it. Every time that I come into a house and I see a tile just goes up halfway and they stop, I'm like, come on guys, that's 20 bucks, 40 bucks, whatever. 1 room here in the front, pretty good size. Same thing, guys, to the whole house. Impact windows. Come on, what do you guys think about it? Love it, guys. This one thing I love about this property as well, you have a closet door. Not bifold, not a freaking sliding door, not a pocket door. You have actual doors into the closet. It looks so much better. Let's go. We have another room here. 1 more room here. Let's go in. This is like a little bit more smaller, I would say. It's just because you have that, not balcony, but porch in the front. So this becomes like more an office, or I guess you can put a full bed here. 1 more nightstand there, full bed here, dresser here. Again, look at doors, right? Sweet, high ceilings. Square casings. Ay, 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 ay. Come on, amigos. Did I just spoke Spanish? I did not. I should speak Ukrainian more, right? Same thing. Honestly, I don't know what's smaller. This room smaller or the other room smaller? Definitely got doors here. That's what I'm telling you about. Remember I told you guys at the beginning, put the gutters all around it. See the water is dripping, damaging our beautiful grass that we have here in Florida. But anyway, that's the tour for the house. Let's go in the backyard. I do love the backyard. Let's open this heavy sliding door here. Oh, look at that. Look at this lanai, this porch in the back porch. You can just screen this in. But if you are planning to put a pool in, do not screen until you put a pool in. Plenty enough space for a pool. You can't probably see, but there's a hose right there that goes to the sprinkler system here. Not a lot of builders will put this kind of sprinklers in. They will just let the grass die. As they install it, they let it die, and that's it. But anyway, guys, thank you again for watching this video till the end. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions, comment below. Let me know what you think about the gutters, what you think about those little doors, or the tile to the house, or the sink and the laundry. There's a bunch of highlight things that I highlighted in this video, but I think this builder did a great job. Overall, I'll give him thumbs up. Overall, definitely beats the other builders in this area because they use regular baseboards, they use carpets in the room, they use these pocket doors everywhere, and layout, I love the layout of this property, definitely love it. If you get a contract on this property, I promise you I'll get you a refrigerator. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Go check it out my other video as well, where I talk about different properties, talk about different markets and what's happening here in Southwest Florida. My name is Alek Petrov, and thank you for watching this video till the end. I will see you on my next video. Peace out.